ever coughed or sneezed? If the answer is no, the answer is a liar. Physicians will tell you that cough is not an illness, it is just a symptom. Then why we cough? Unless you are extremely dehydrated, your mouth will always be wet, never dry. However, unless exposed to some poisons, mouth never gets flooded with saliva either. Even if you repeatedly spit out saliva, mouth will never get wet. That means we have a capability to make unlimited amount of saliva as the need arises. Same is the situation with the airways. They can also make more secretions to remain moist all the time. This becomes more pronounced as airways get irritated with the particles of dust, allergens, or even infection. Airway secretions are thicker, viscous. We call it sputum or phlegm. They can round up and cover the dust particles or allergens or even particles of infection. Now, the rounded up particles have to be removed. It cannot spit out as mouth can spit out saliva. At the top of our airways, around this area, there is an organ called vocal cord, this shape, two of them, whose vibrations will make sound when we talk. In preparation for a cough, you take a deep breath and then close the vocal cords on the top of the airway. Then you contract the muscles of expiration, breathing out forcefully, increasing the pressure inside very high. Then, with extreme suddenness, the vocal cords open and air in the chest escape explosively. But in the process, it sweeps out all the secretions that are rounded up. That is what we call cough. When the same process of irritation happens above the level of vocal cord, like in the nose, the same process happens. However, now we call it sneeze. Does it make some sense? If you like this video, subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you.